Okay, here we have a 2004 model year Audi A4 Avant. So what today's tutorial is using output diagnostic test mode on the VAG 1551 main dealer diagnostic tool for Volkswagen, Seat, Skoda and Audi, used in all the dealerships up until approximately 2004 and a bit later. So, first things first, we've got the diagnostic lead plugged in just above the pedals, as it's an Audi A4. Key in the ignition on, and the diagnostic machine tells us to select an address. So we select address word 17, which is selected with the Q button. Tester sends address word 17 in German, please wait in German. This is a diagnostic machine from a German dealership. So it brings us up some information there, the part number, the coding, the workshop service code and the forward arrows. So we press the forward arrow, brings us up a bit more information, forward arrow again, and it's asking us to select the function. In this case we want function 03, which is output test diagnostics, or as they call it in the German version, Stelle Diagnose. So we select that with the Q button and it takes us in, and first of all sweeps the analog dials to check they're all working okay, as you can see. And what we do each time, we circle through with the forward arrow up in the top corner. So I'm going to press the forward arrow again, and as you can see it tests all of the warning lights. Forward arrow again, testing the gong as you can hear, and now it's testing these segments and the mileage, and that's everything done. So we'll just go through again so you can see it all the way through. The dials sweep up. If there's a problem with the dials, you'll see straight away if one of them's jerky or not moving. Cycle through it with the forward arrow, tests everything. So that's how you do output test diagnostics on the instrument cluster. Forward arrow on, and that's the end. And then, as everything, we do 06 to end the output, and that's the end of it. So that's how you do output test diagnostics on the dash. Output test diagnostics can be very useful in testing various components, in this case obviously the needles etc. on the dash. If you're in the engine control module, you can test the N75 valve if it's a turbo diesel, EGR valve otherwise, and all sorts of other systems like that. You can test the cooling fans. As I say, various different systems, you can test various different things. Okay, hopefully this has been helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe the Car Consultants YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, bye.